Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a chickpea salad. Now this is a great fusion of flavors and textures. This as a standalone is great for a light lunch or it can be paired with a hearty dinner. The choice is yours. So let's get started. Alright, so diving right into this recipe, this is really simple and takes really no time to make. We're going to start by prepping the ingredients for the dressing. In particular, we need 1 garlic clove that's been minced, as well as the juice of 1 large lemon, so I can slice that in half. And now in a small bowl, you want to whisk together 3 tablespoons worth of extra virgin olive oil with the juice of that lemon. In total you need about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. The minced garlic, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon or a large dash of black pepper. Whisking those together until they're well combined. This creates the dressing for this recipe. And now for the salad, let's prep all the ingredients. In particular, we're going to need 1.5 cups worth of cherry tomatoes that have been sliced in half. You want 1 English cucumber. You want to halve that, remove all the seeds, and then thinly slice it along its length. We also need half of a large red onion. We're going to thinly slice that. 1/4 cup's worth of cilantro that we've finely diced. We're also going to need 15 ounces of canned chickpeas that have been drained and rinsed. We're also going to need 4 ounces of feta cheese. I find it cheaper to just buy the block itself, and then you can dice that into small cubes. We're also going to need 1 avocado. You want to remove the pit and thinly slice the flesh. Now with making the salad in a large bowl, we want to add in the sliced cherry tomatoes, the cucumber, the red onion, the cilantro, the chickpeas, the feta cheese, and the avocado. We're going to toss all of these until they're well dispersed. And once it looks like this, you want to add your dressing, whisking it once more before you add it. And then you want to toss the salad until everything is evenly coated. At this stage, you can transfer the salad to a serving bowl and it's ready to be enjoyed. Congrats, you've made a chickpea salad right at home. For a variation on this recipe, you can try adding some shredded chicken for some added protein to this dish. As you saw, it's really easy to make. I hope you give this a try. It's a great side dish. This recipe makes enough for 6 full servings. So when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button too, and feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make a very classic drink, my mint julep. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.